motherfucking star of it. What you talking to me for?
For real.
Every nigga need to know that whatever he doing, right, dead or alive, it's gonna eventually come to surface. That's it, nigga. Don't go to talking to me about. Nigga, if I wanted to talk about it, it'd been talked about 3 years ago. Nigga, don't go calling me nigga about something a nigga recorded. What kind of nigga is you?
Hey, Wack, you
Yeah.
got him scared, man. That nigga on that bitch scared. He think you gonna take his page.
Can I get a recap, What's going on?
Nigga, I had an opportunity to see that shit yes, because I didn't know what the
Oh,
fuck
what he
was going
said?
on.
He mentioned something about me taking his
I
page.
swear to God, he did.
Yeah.
I was watching
What he
it
say?
earlier. That nigga scared, boy.
Yeah, that nigga was like, yo, this thing gonna take my page, da da da.
Hey, legend, calm down, bro.
Yo, what the nigga say,
We
bro?
talking
Yo,
about
hold on.
Hey, the nigga was
What
on
he
there
say?
crying like a little bitch. He like, hey man, Wack finna take my page. So if he take my page, go to my Patreon. I'm like, what? This nigga scared.
Y'all
I heard they
motherfuckers
was
don't
taking the
speak.
Patreon down too. Though.
If y'all motherfuckers don't tell me who the fuck we talking,
hey, everybody.
Oh, listen. So
you in the Matrix, huh?
We talking about
I
the dick
get
and the booty
flagged like a
bandit.
motherfucker. He know he get flagged like. Listen, bro. I be tripping off how niggas feel like my playbook gotta be your playbook, bro. That ain't, nigga, what you mean? We ain't running the same playbook. You got emotional because you looked at yourself on that podcast and didn't like how it came out. So he said, fuck that. I supposed to been the one. So let me use this. Okay, you did your shit. He thought he was gonna run me. I don't know what he thought. He must really don't know what type of nigga I am. Yeah. I told the nigga that. Why you was talking to him on the phone? Because I wanted to, nigga. Now what?
Like real shit.
Right? Right?
Hey,
Like,
once you
you know.
stand on some
So
shit, it ain't nothing that nigga can say.
yeah, so now once the nigga then got past that, he like, okay. I tell a nigga, yo, you in Bullet's Gotti room, come over here with the tape so we can entertain the people. Press play. Play the tape all the way out, all the way through A to Z. Stop stopping it and fast forwarding it. Play it out. So you can see why Wack answered your question. Cause the nigga question was, yo, Wack, why they say you hate on Nipsey Hussle? So I don't hate on Nipsey Hussle, my nigga. I'm the only nigga stopping this fucking gay shit from coming out. If I was hating on a nigga that been out, right?
Yep.
And I mean that.
Hell yeah, real
Real
shit.
So,
It
shit,
been
bro.
came out.
so like I told a nigga this morning, hey, look, nigga, you niggas is so much of a fans. When is niggas gonna say, shit, Brody should have been off into that kind of shit? I ain't heard that yet.
Yeah, real shit.
No, for real. Since we want to talk about it, because I ain't the motherfucking director or the star.
You know what? I think people ain't said that yet because they haven't seen it. You seen it, so you could honestly say like, "Damn, he shouldn't have fucked around with that." But I think a lot of people just ain't never seen it. So I don't think they think you lying, but I think they just like, shit, they ain't seen it to be able to say like, "Damn, he shouldn't do it." But just hear that it's there. You know what I mean? Niggas should already have in their mind like, "Damn, bro, if that exists." Man, he should have never fucked around with none of that, man. Or
That's it.
shouldn't have
Blame him.
recorded no
Don't
shit.
blame me,
Yeah,
nigga.
they don't believe it yet. I
Don't
don't think
blame
that
me. Hey,
they still
bro, if
don't
I
believe it yet.
die, right? If I die and a nigga got a tape of me fucking a goat, a cat, and a dog, Whack doing it. Don't blame the nigga got the tape. Blame the nigga.
Nah, real shit.
Don't blame the nigga got the tape. Blame the nigga on the tape, bro. Blame him.
Oh God.
Fuck out of here, man. All these niggas talking all this shit. I don't give a fuck about your gangster. I don't give a fuck about none of that. If you that mad, get to it, nigga. That's it, my nigga. Like, we gonna live, we gonna die, we gonna go to jail, we gonna get money, we gonna eat, we gonna fuck, we gonna be fucked, we gonna catch time, we gonna, all that happens, my nigga. I don't care, nigga.
Hell
Straight up, I don't care, nigga. Don't come playing, nigga, because I'm gonna blaze you ASAP. So if you got a mama or some kids or something you love it, nigga, don't be the crash dummy, nigga. Other than that, nigga, I don't want to hear nothing about it. Fuck what you talking about. Fuck who you, fuck all that. Because if they had a picture, if they had a video, a wax sucking a dick, they going viral with it. So fuck what you talking about on Pyro. And I'm standing on it. Nigga ain't
That's some
nothing
real
safe, nigga.
shit.
They had a picture
That's
of
some real
Tupac
shit.
laying on his chest, nigga. It went viral. I don't want to hear
Oh man.
nothing. All of a sudden, a certain motherfucker is fucking untouched. Fuck you. Nah, nigga. Point the finger where it should be pointed. If the act wasn't never committed, it would never be a visual. It wouldn't be a visual. It wouldn't be a fucking allegation. That's the math, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, once again, I wasn't a
Shit.
director or the star.
To the
I've been a
disrespect.
nigga. I've been a nigga stopping. Don't do
Keeping
it.
it from coming out.
No,
Hell yeah.
don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Fuck out of here, man.
Hell yeah. Nigga said he
I
could have been
reached to the
sold that.
powers that be. I reached to the powers that be, and they didn't give a fuck. That's the funny part about it.
Mm.
Y'all want to do this business so y'all control this shit? They know.
Man. Hell
But
yeah.
on the flip side, let's ask the real questions. Why nobody that was mentioned in the tape has come to dispute it?
Oh God. Yeah. You got a point
If
right
a
there.
nigga said they had something with me and my baby mama and a mother and this nigga over here, and my baby mama know damn well that don't she like that nigga's a motherfucking lie, nigga. I ain't never did none of that. Where to dispute that? Ain't nobody want to pay that no attention, though, right? Where's that?
I
Anybody
got
dispute it?
I got a question, Wack. So
Has
hold on.
anybody came out and disputed it?
Nope. I ain't heard
Oh, okay.
nobody dispute it.
So this nigga, wait a minute. So this nigga recorded months ago, right?
Months ago.
Wait a minute. Okay, wow. So what? Okay, so what if you fucking already knew this nigga was running around recording shit, and y'all niggas met up, and you would have waxed that nigga ass? That
Oh
goes
no,
to
he would have got fucked up. He would have
that
fucked
goes.
him up if
But
he.
here go the coward shit. Here go the coward shit. You know I'm coming to New York. You got to drop on me, and you got the issue with me. Why you didn't address it, nigga?
Nigga, that speaks to your character.
Why you didn't address it?
Niggas is running around recording shit.
Fuck blood.
Oh
Yeah.
no, you gotta
Legend,
go,
just mute up
man.
and listen, please. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know what Nurse Nikki did yesterday, boy. But she called some shit. I got a million phone
Nigga,
calls.
she got
She
She
every
air
told me,
Bronx out.
can you stop
hey,
Nurse
hey,
Nikki?
Wack.
They said,
She,
can you tell Nurse Nikki to stop her room? I said, I
She
ain't gonna
air
tell
Bronx.
Nurse Nikki to
hey,
stop shit.
let me tell you something. She was
Nurse
up there like
Nikki
she was
is
in
a
a pool, like she was in the pulpit. Everybody was like, "Who we don't fuck with?" I said, "You should have been at the church of Nurse Nikki yesterday." Yeah,
that
I
shit
didn't
was
everything
know
was
what
down.
Nurse
comedy. That
Nikki
shit was
was doing.
great.
What?
I did, but they was calling. I'm like, I'm not finna tell Nurse to stop. Whatever she doing, she doing.
I was dying. I was dying. That shit had me fucking going. That shit was dope though.
Yep. Thank you guys. Yes. Yep. Had to be done.
Nurse Nikki wasn't playing no games yesterday.
These niggas is crazy. I just had a motherfucker tell me this morning. They told me, Nurse Nikki told them that she's 6 weeks pregnant by me. I said, boy, you niggas crazy.
That's just funny shit. Like like people just want to say weirdo shit just
I
to throw
said,
you
yo,
in the mix. Like what?
I
Wack, you
mean,
got
I
all kind of
said,
meta
yo,
babies, all kind of
oh,
metaverse babies.
yeah, they say Nurse Nikki 6 weeks pregnant by me. I said, boy, y'all niggas crazy.
What the fuck?
The
How?
Wack
Let
Pack.
me.
I don't
They don't
know.
know how to do math. I don't understand that.
The Wack
I
Pack.
don't know. I don't know, Nurse Nikki. You expecting or something?
No. I'm
Oh,
actually I'm actually on my menstrual right now, so like I just be laughing.
oh, okay.
I'm in the
We make
grocery
sure
store
that you take
cramped
that
up
plan.
as fuck. What you say?
You gotta make sure that you take that plan.
No. They always shoot up my club. We use condoms over here.
Trojan
Okay.
man.
She said nobody
Yeah.
shoot up my club. She's crazy, Nick
Nah.
Sneaky.
Fuck. What's up, Phoenix? So wait, who's spinning around with saying that 6 weeks pregnant by Wack? That shit. The first time I'm hearing this
I don't know.
bullshit.
They say somebody whoever's in a locked room. They say y'all was all in a locked room somewhere. I don't know.
Oh no. I don't. In a locked room?
They say all kind of shit. They said all kind of shit. But I'm listening to them, right? It's Nurse Nikki, Lady Killer. Anybody
Oh
that
my
they
God.
think is close to me.
Yo.
Nurse Nikki, Lady Killer, Flossie, right? Anybody that they think is close to me, they like, yeah. They said that. I said, yeah, shit, put that shit out. They get mad at me because I tell them put that shit out.
That's why I was asking for receipts yesterday too. I said, where y'all receipts? And then people was like, oh, I'm not gonna be no receipts. I'm not gonna, I'm like, oh my God. You say you got receipts and now you don't want to show it. You gotta back that shit up, bitch. Back it up.
They got
That was the reason why I had the room. Because people wanted to be like, I got receipts. And I said, I pull up. I'll shoot the stage. I'll give you a bean in my room. I even drop myself in the audience. Pull up with the receipts. And
Nah,
that's,
you was like, don't run. Don't run.
yeah. Yeah, because then they will come in my room, don't come in my stage, and be like, oh, Nurse Nikki can't come in my room. When she come in my room, I'm gonna call her all kinds of bitches. Every time I come into your room to pull up the smoke, you want to bring me on your stage, but now you come in my room, you're running.
Hey,
Don't
real
run.
quick. Hey, real quick. Hey, Wack, was you able to calculate how far they away from 500? I know you said you was gonna
hold
look
on.
into
Let
the
me
account.
let me have her open that shit.
All right, for sure, for sure. Y'all see it up
Hold
there, man. Y'all make sure y'all do that, man. $100 minimum, man. He's gonna be giving away $50,000, man. 5 people's names will be drawn, 10,000 each, and he also put us up on Ride Theory. You know what I mean? Wack, can you go ahead and elaborate? Because everyone keeps asking about that Ride Theory. They real excited about it. Can you explain to them what they can do once they get that money if they want to invest?
No, I mean you ain't even gotta use that, but they go they gonna open up the doors for people to invest. Whatever you put in, you get 100% return back on your money.
The thou
So
wow,
it's
you
called
put five thou
crowd
wows.
sharing. But they usually put it in front of them other niggas so they can flip their money. I just talk them into allowing the public, open public, to be able to do it. I mean, since it's like an Uber style app, might want to get the public involved.
Oh yeah, I think everyone
Everything.
could attest that they've used a Uber or a Lyft before. So shit, if you can invest 2,500, 3 racks into that, and get 100% of your return back, shit, man, that sounds like something that could be good for people, man. Real shit.
Is it up and running yet?
The app is up. They haven't launched it. The app's up. You can go play with the app, subscribe, and all that shit. But download it. But they working on the link. It's probably in the next 2 weeks that shit'll be ready.
Okay. Because I've been telling
But
motherfuckers.
yo, these niggas is real. Hey, bro, I'm really tripping. Like niggas is really mad.
Yeah, but they was already mad. Whack. They was mad before that. These the same niggas that's been mad. You get what I mean?
Yeah, you right
They been
about that.
mad.
I can't understand them sucker niggas, and I'm not even gonna try. Fuck them.
Yeah, you right about that.
Hell yeah, I recognize the same faces, same people that been having their face twisted, are the same motherfuckers, man. You see, Push the Knife had 40 Glock in there. I don't know what the fuck Push the Knife on, but they brought 40 Glock in there to do some bullshit. And yeah, Push the Knife is on bullshit right now. It's weird. Well, we see what's happening with their room. That shit dwindling down. So
Hey,
yeah,
you
man.
know what I found out too,
Yeah, I
big?
hear Push the Knife. They mad at me because I went over there and supported Flossie's room. Like, why are you mad at a female's room, bro? That shit
Aren't they
crazy.
trying to knife Flossie up this morning?
I
Yeah,
don't
they
Yeah,
know.
they
they
Yeah,
did.
had a
Wack, I
They
went in
did.
there. They said y'all a alliance now. I'm like, what?
The
Yeah,
Wait,
title,
what?
wait,
the
don't get it.
title
Wait,
on the
wait,
post
don't get it
is right
fucked up.
now. Whack
Let
and
me say
Flossie.
this again.
And then name
Flossie's main room was pushed that night. Flossie was definitely honorary over here on the 100 floor, right? Flossie for like 2 weeks I didn't know why, but I see why. I've been saying she thinks she might need to open her own room up, right? So you know me, I'm encouraging. Yeah, go ahead, shit. We're gonna back you. We're gonna support you. You know, because I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see why I pushed that night when I had an issue with her opening up her own room.
Yeah, what
Even
Right.
when
happened?
she opened the room up, she was still push that night. So I guess when she opened her room up, they did a T roll.
Not a T roll.
yeah.
That's iced
When
out
the
behind
room
that
up, they
shit.
removed her as admin and I guess took her
Damn.
bean and shit, right? You know, Pitbull was over here 3 weeks before he opened the room up. I ain't called Pitbull talking about why you open up a room. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't. Nurse Nikki got a room. You know what I'm saying? Go support. I don't care about that kind of shit. I
So
guess.
how are they getting
Other,
a alliance from that? Like they don't make
I mean,
sense.
I
Like
don't
why is
know.
they
Maybe
messing with
me
her?
supporting. I don't get it fucked up. That's how it works. If I know, right? Let's say if I'm promoting the album release, it's some rooms I can call, be like, hey, yo, could you put this link up? You know what I mean? You know, get your PTR to this for me for the day, bro. I'm trying to promote this shit. And they like, shit, Wack, no problem. Guess what? They come over here, yo, Wack, we got this going on, bro. Can y'all pull up? Can we go over there and take the stage? Shit, go ahead. So I don't know. Like, maybe they mad that I support. I've been pushing women empowerment for like a couple months now. It's a few women on this stage, Queen, Gigi, they'll tell you. I didn't gave them the green light to do shit. They ain't even ask about it.
Facts.
Y'all go ahead on. Do your
Yo,
thing.
yo,
And
the
just let
shit
me
don't
know
make
whatever
no.
I need to do, I'm going to handle it. I ain't
The,
tripping.
the more rooms up under the
Facts.
main room pushes traffic to the main room. I don't know why motherfuckers don't understand that
I'm
concept.
not, listen, I want 1,000 sub rooms that say everybody tied in some way to that. I'm cool with that. I don't care. You know, y'all may have a shit, you know. Flossie did great. By the time I got to Flossie room, she was 600 strong. I sat there with her about 3, 4 hours. I let the niggas beat up on me, talk shit. Told them I'm muting up, ain't answering no more questions till they get to this number. Get to this number. I'll wait 30 minutes, do the shit again. Wait 30 minutes, do the shit again. Boom, she hit
And
her number.
building the motherfucking room.
Applaud Flossie.
Yeah, that.
No shit, like the fuck you. Oh, they
Everybody can
fucking.
eat. Nobody gotta hate.
Yeah, oh, they fuck. Bro, you just listen. With the, I'm gonna tell you what's crazy. Push that knife didn't have a problem when Wack went to their room and got them over their hump.
Speak
Uh
on that.
oh.
And nobody have a problem when and Flossie wasn't even on the app.
If she
I didn't
wasn't
know
there
who that
yet.
to
If
you.
she
When
wasn't
Push
there
that
yet.
knife
Hell
open,
yeah.
Flossie was not even on the app.
Hell yeah.
She wasn't even there yet. I went over there, sat in there many a nights. I helped them get to that 2,500 mark. Spun off.
Yeah,
They did the rest. Like, what's
yeah,
the
I don't
problem?
understand. I literally do not understand. Nigga, the more rooms up under the main room, the more traffic goes to the main room. I don't get it.
I don't get it, bro. Listen, man. Hey, every now and then you need to change the radio station, bro. I ain't. You know, we been in this motherfucker 5, 6 hours. Yo, you know what you call it? Finna open up. Nurse Nikki finna work. Open up. She about to talk about this. Boom, we flow over there. What's the problem?
But
Them
not
niggas is really
everybody,
mad. They mad about her success.
well,
That's
right,
all
and
it
not
is.
everybody understands teamwork or family dynamic.
So I
Them
guess
motherfuckers
Yeah,
we supposed to be
that's a
hating on the
fact.
goo. We supposed to be hating on the goo gang and shit. Nah, nigga, that's gang gang.
No,
This is
that's
what we
what you
Exactly.
doing.
mean. Goo Gang is just as strong as the platform, as the stage, because they controlling the chat. They giving the
Who's
whole
hating
room
on
a
the Goo
total
Gang?
different look. They giving the whole room a total different look with them PTRs in unison like that. Like, so, I, nigga, they the ones putting the work in the chat. We fighting on the verbal. They fighting in the chat.
Yeah, that should create algorithms.
Yeah, like I don't, I don't know, man. This, you got a bunch of money. It seemed to me like if they can't get to me, fuck the people that can. That's what I'm getting.
But I think I heard they recruited P from Unstricken to like
Yeah, I
ride
heard
with
that
them
too.
now. So I'm
Yeah,
sure that has something to do with it.
a lot of
Hey
people don't want to
Phoenix.
go
Probably
over
is.
there.
Hey
What?
Phoenix. You know what I
Nah,
know?
Iced Out took that shit over again.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.